unity is very, very important between us. We have to work together. And that's why I'm here in the UK with you and Sheikh Omar Sulaiman, Sheikh Abu Bakr Zod and the rest, Sheikh Wa'il. And people are so excited to see how we're together. Because people are, why do you think, Sheikh? Why do you think people, we had so many comments in our hugs, for example, that we put on Instagram. Why do you think people are so happy to see this unity and this brotherhood?
A simple reason.
Tell us.
There is too much of the opposite out there. It's unbelievable to see this happening when everyone is just bickering, fighting, squabbling. You know, it's a war out there between not just scholars but even general Muslims. You know, people. I mean, there are a few things. One is this qadiyya al-Palestiniya, which is our qadiyya.
Yeah.
This whole Palestine thing is our problem. It's our issue, right? And we take it seriously. And the way the infighting amongst the people, just pointing fingers at you did and you didn't do and you're not doing and you're doing and you're not doing and you're supposed to be doing, that itself is already a show of frustration. So I excuse people, and I was saying people don't know what we've done and they haven't listened to the lectures. They say, you've never spoken, you've never done. I have. And what am I supposed to do? Answer you back to say, no, I have or no. If you haven't heard it, remember, it's not my problem. And another thing is, there are other things that I have done that you cannot do.
Yes.
I don't tell you, you didn't do this, you did, because I know it's not in your capacity. It's okay.
It's a big responsibility. You have to understand the people you're talking to as well.